Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to dislike all liked reels on Instagram. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner and then tap the three lines on the top right. Go to account center, then go to personal details. So if you can't find it in here, suppose maybe Instagram has changed it in the archive section or the your activity section. Now go to this likes, and here's just filter it out by tapping the all content types drop down. Then select just the reels and tap on apply. And here goes the reels. So what you need to do is just to head over to the reel and just unlike it. You can also keep tab on a specific reel and just tap on unlike on the button. So this layout will arrive. So tap on unlike. So yeah, this is how you can unlike or like reels on Instagram. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.